Hi, this is your girl Bianca Jaye, and I just want to wish you a happy new year. I know a lot of you are excited about the new year. I said 2020 wasn't as good for some as it was for others, but I just want to give you a few words of encouragement that this year, 2021, is going to be dynamic. And the things that will make them dynamic are two things. One, write down your goals. Put a plan of action, take all out action, and then share those with people. And so we here at Restore A Plus Credit, we want to help you with your financial goals, financial dreams. So the first step, like I said, write down your goals, write down your dreams, and take all out action. And you can do whatever you put your mind to. And a lot of people say new year, new you. And I love myself, and I think you guys love yourself, but we can better ourselves. We can always better ourselves. So, when it comes to financing, I did pretty well this year. I didn't spend a whole lot of money to buy gifts. I basically gave a lot of things away to help bless and contribute. And so I remember my pastor always said, we are blessed to be a blessing. So we were blessed to be a blessing to other people. From a financial perspective this year, and I want to help you as well. So if you're interested in getting your credit straight, updating your paper game so that you can buy that new car or buy that new house or invest in that new piece of property, please reach out to me at restoreapluscredit.com. Go to our site. Feel free. We have agents standing by 24/7 who are there to help give you a free financial analysis. So again, Happy New Year, everyone. And I look forward to working with you in this year of 2021. Peace and prosperity.